Welcome back to Hot Car Track and the start of the 2022 season. A big thank you to our major sponsor Crabster for supplying the Fords and Holdens that you can see in front of us. A big thank you to our mechanic and engineer Mark D from Cut Rock Racing. And joining me in the booth is none other than Macy from Australian Diecast Racing. Go check out his YouTube channel. He has some excellent racing. Give him a thumbs up, give him a sub and put a comment down below. Now Macy, the question that everyone asks, are you a Holden or a Ford fan?
Mate, absolutely fantastic to be here for the first race on this 4-lane track. I was actually born in the back of a Holden ute, so that would make me very much a Holden man. How about you? Which side do you fall on?
I can't say I was born in a Holden, however, I reckon my origin started there. Let's have a look at our team's drivers. First up, driving for Team Holden is I in the 22 Red White Commodore. And next up is Jesse's Diecast Garage in the 99 Commodore.
Driver number 1 for Ford today is CB driving the number 7 BA Falcon. Next up for Team Ford is Nathan Never. He's driving the white and blue Ford Falcon. Let's have a quick look at the point system here for the first race at Mount Western Raceway. It's 4, 3, 2 and 1. A DNF will get you 0 points. Good luck to all drivers. Let's go racing.
That's right, Macy. Let's get ready to rumble right here on Mount Western Raceway. This is a purpose-built 4-lane track. It's got Hot Wheels with 3D printed parts. So let's get the program going. Well, a very interesting first heat here right in Holden versus Ford.
Yes, mate, absolutely action-packed. Let's go and check out the leaderboard after the final race today. We see IMI sitting on 16 points in that Toll Racing HSV Power Commodore. He collected 4 wins in a row. He'll be joined in the next round by CB, who qualifies through with 3 seconds and 9 points in the number 7 BA Falcon. Unfortunately for Jesse's Diecast Garage and Nathan Never, that's the end of their Holden versus Ford competition here at Mount Western Raceway. Hopefully we'll see them racing here in Sydney, Australia very soon.
And here's the team scores. Look at that, Holden right out in front on 23 and Ford coming in with a 9.
Holden fans definitely have plenty to smile about after the first round of racing here, mate. As we see, the fastest time for the night was IMI with a 15.8. He did that in the Toll Racing HSV Commodore. Great performance with 4 wins in a row.
Nathan Never in trouble right from the get-go, right into turn 1.
Yeah, mate, he definitely got the staggers. He fell into his teammate's lane. That was the end of his race, and that left IMI out in front.
And here we go, out of turn 2. Looks like a great battle between Holden and Ford. Look at this, almost down to the wire.
And once again, Nathan Never out of control and flipped straight off the side of the track in that Falcon. He could be the first car I think I've ever seen that needs a roll cage on the outside of the car.
It's a great car, really rolls very well, however, just couldn't hang on tonight.
Let's put our hands together for the two drivers not moving on today, but I'm sure you'll be back here at Mount Western Raceway ripping up the track soon.
Once again, a big thank you to our sponsors and to everyone that has helped us out getting this program together. A big thank you to Macy for co-hosting and Mark D from Cut Rock Racing, our mechanic and engineer on the track. Until next time, we'll catch you later.